coming up in this video today, guys, we got a really sticky earwax removal from, this lovely lady is actually an opera singer and was having difficulty hearing at the moment, so it was really important that she got this out and came along to see us in clinic. Apologise for a little bit of fuzziness. I was using my old endoscope, and which has to go off actually for a good polish on it, so it looks a little bit fuzzy. But what we've got here is a super thick and sticky type of wax, and this is the kryptonite of suction tubes. Yeah, it's so thick. It just wants to, as soon as you, Rhys, kind of a big brother house there. So it was, as you pop the suction tube on top, it pulls a chunk into the suction tube and then just blocks it straight away. So it's that kind of thick and gloopy, but it is coming away. We get it to the outer portion of the ear canal here. Oh, little bit of a wiggle.
Oh, that's a massive relief when you see the big plug coming loose like that, especially when it's so thick and sticky like it is now.
It's a beastie, isn't it? When it comes, it's so hard to pull these ones out. No, I could have. Sometimes I'll go in at this point. I'll go in with the Jobson Law and just nip over the top, just scoop into it and pull that away. I can't remember whether I do that in this one. I think I don't, because it starts breaking down. It starts to come away a little bit more easily. No, there we go. We've got a little gap. Oh no, there we are. There's a Jobson Law. See, see, like, you did this morning as well. I still can't remember. So it's coming away really well. Look at that. Ooh, that is a chunky, thick plug. That one. That is nice.
The patient's like, oh.
Yeah, you know what, as soon as I pulled that forwards, they were like, oh, I can hear it. And it's that instant. Yeah, it really is. It's sort of almost instantaneous. So I'm just tidying up around the outside edge here.
It's like a miracle.
I'm cured. So yeah, it's coming away really, really well. There we go. Just tidying up that outside edge. There's a little thick, sticky bit at the top here.
We normally advise these sticky ones to, once it's cleared, we'd normally advise a little bit of oil about once a month usually. Just to help with the migration of the sort of stickiness, really.
It does make a massive difference. It really does. Well, that comes looking lovely and healthy. Eardrum looking absolutely spot on. Now, this particular canal, patient could hear really well on this side, but we've got this sticky layer. It's better just to get it out. Let's just get rid of it, because it's not really going to go anywhere. You can see how firmly attached it is to the canal wall. So it's a case of just lifting and peeling its way down the canal here, all the way.
It's always typical. These ones are not normally the problem, usually take the longest.
Yeah, it's always the ear canal they didn't come in with an issue. It's always the one that takes the longest amount of time to get it out. But there we go, we've got the detachment there now. We're just pulling from the sides. And out that comes. There we go, all the way out. And then eardrum looking absolutely spot on our side as well. Yeah, it's looking lovely. So guys, if you did enjoy, oh no, what am I doing? I'm doing the wrong bit. Sorry, I got the measurements first. Sorry guys, sorry.
Oh, you got just 2 centimeters?
Yeah, just I'm going to go with 3/4 of an inch on that one. 3/4
That's pretty good.
Yeah, it's not bad. So guys, if you do enjoy the videos, don't forget you can always like, heart, share, follow and subscribe. If you thoroughly enjoy the videos, you can also think about becoming a member, and you can do that by checking out the description at the bottom. But as always guys, take care of yourselves.
Take care of your ears.
And take care of one another, and myself and the lovely Mr. Taylor Green. We'll see you again real soon. Bye everybody.
Goodbye.